So, where are we?
We are at St.Cloud Lakefront.
And today we're here to film.
We are going to see the Spring Fling.
Spring Fling.
Yeah.
Here in St. Cloud. Every year they do a Rotary Club Spring Fling. We're not too sure of how big the event is this year, but we're going to go check it out for you guys.
Yeah, we had driven past it last night, and it looks smaller compared to other years.
Yeah.
But then again, there's I didn't see any rides this year. They used to have rides.
Yep. They would normally have rides for the children to enjoy. But we haven't seen that. We drove that past here last night, and they didn't have much.
I know that they have crafters tents. They have a barbecue competition later on. They have a car show. They had a bass tournament this morning.
Yep. And it also to note, it is kind of like a gloomy day. There are supposed to be storms later on.
There's going to be some really big storms coming here in a few hours.
Today's Saturday, so we're going to go check it out.
We're trying to hit it before the storms.
Definitely, yes. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.
So everybody, here's get a view of the St. Cloud Lakefront. We went here early on whenever we started J&K, but that was almost a year and a half ago.
No, it was longer than that. It was like 2 years ago.
Almost 2 years ago? That's crazy. Almost 2 years ago, we gave you guys a glimpse of everything that is here in St. Cloud. We went on the pier and whatnot, so yeah, like it looks like it's a gloomy day. And everybody, I would like to present to you the Spring Fling car show. This is just one half of it, one little portion of it, and I'll let the cars do the talking.
So the Kona Ice shaved ice cream truck. We actually have them come out like once or twice every summer to the daycare for all the big kids and then all of our little kids. Usually we ask the parents to bring in $2, but if there's usually like there's some kids that just happen to forget it, we'll usually pay out of pocket for them just so that they can do it too.
So I'm looking here. There's an Asian truck. There's a Boy Scout troop from Halupal. 441 troop 441. Is that the one that does the Christmas trees? No. Okay, but there's a Asian truck here, and what's this? I've never seen this truck either. That's pretty neat. Huh?
Fries.
Oh. Spud Stud. That's awesome. Home of the Spud Stud. That's awesome. I love it.
What's a spud nut?
So kind of curious as to what a
spud nut is.
So we're
home of the spud nut.
So we're gonna go check out the Spud Nut. We're off-roading here. Kind of got her shirt on, but you probably couldn't hear me. But we're off-roading here. We're gonna go take a look at the scenery over yonder. So we're gonna take a break from. Yeah, look from all the rain. Yeah. So it just goes to show you how much rain we've had.
Another like 3 inches today. Oh, that stuff is really cute. So we are looking at all the craft tents right now. So far, we've only seen like 4, but you know, it's going.
So we're in the middle of Lakeshore. They shut down the road for the day for everybody to have their tents up. Sergio E. Ortiz is here for U.S. Congress. Hello. Just said hello to Sergio. We sell St.Cloud.com. HPRX. So we sell St. Cloud. Medicare plans. Got a guy driving a golf cart right down the middle with the big old dog. That was a big old dog too, Great Dane. All the tents and whatnot. Make some t-shirts. We might be coming to Wands and Roses to get some t-shirts done for us. Edward Jones Investments, Living Well Chiropractic, Soul Golden. This is about all the smaller businesses in St. Cloud that are trying to make it up. I like it. Hot Mess. Love it. Nancy Soap and Bath Shop. I like it. Tom Lord. Some
like a 10% off coupon on Krabby Bills?
Sure.
Oh, thank you for the 10% off.
No problem, bro.
I like this.
Welcome.
There goes another golf cart. Look at all the signs. I like it. So this little tent has all like the different kind of signs. You got Yoda, you got Batman, little Batman. I like it. You got all kinds of American flags inside here. Pennywise. I love it.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing?
Cards.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
So Dustin Keaton just gave us a card. Junkyard pallet signs. I like that. It's pretty neat, huh? Yeah, it's pretty neat. Okay. Continuing on with our journey through Lakeshore, Spring Fling.
Oh my gosh, look at the little puppy.
Got different dresses up here, very pretty dresses. Got bikinis and whatnot. Lemongrass Spa products. Sisters Crafty Creations. Cups. Morgan used to make some of these. Hello. Oh, it's a puzzle. I love that. It's a cool puzzle. My small treasure shop. Scentsy Independent? Scentsy?
Scentsy is really good.
Yep.
Scentsy's really good.
We got Batman coming up. Get some shirts made. There goes Batman. Oops, sorry.
Hey, my goodness, where you been?
How are you walking so fast?
Yummy baking. Alright everybody, so we gave you guys a glimpse of what to expect in future spring flings by the St. Cloud Rotary Club.
I'm hoping they have rides next year though.
Yeah,
That definitely makes it way a lot more exciting.
For the kids at least.
Yeah.
We tried to go meet up with Mr. Tom Lord. He's running for St. Cloud Council.
We did not see him.
We weren't able to see him. I don't know what
didn't find him.
happened. So, but all right guys, thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.